Hello guys! We have been recently looking at some proper tools for cutting braided lines. We decided to make some comparison tests in order to show you what is available on the market and what are the differences between each tool. As you probably know, the braided lines, or braids, how they are called, are not easy to cut. As you can imagine, we are not able to test all the scissors or cutting tools that are on the market, but I think we picked up a reasonable amount to highlight all the differences, advantages and disadvantages of all products. So, here are the products that we picked up for the test. We also show the average price range of each product. As you can see, you need to have scissors to open all the products on this test. The only exception is the braid cutter from Renomet. For the test, we've picked up various braids from different manufacturers with different diameter and maximum load up to 100 kilograms. Additionally, we took also tying threads which include Dyneema fiber. I would like to briefly explain how we are going to perform the test. We will start every cutting session with each tool from the finest, thinnest line, and we will perform normal cuts and then the next 3 cuts under an angle. If the scissors cut well, we take the next thicker line and perform the same sequence until it stops to cut. Now have a look at our test. As you see, it cuts pretty well. Now you see it begins to struggle. We can mark it cuts pretty good. Now we see it has some problems. No problem at the beginning. It's becoming dull and stops to cut well. Now, that's really funny with the tips protection. You cannot take it off. No problem at the beginning. Now we see it has some problems. it handles very good. We can mark it cuts pretty good. It's working well. Now we see it has some problems. We see it performs quite good. You can feel that it cuts very easily. Wow, that feels amazing. Really the best cutting performance. So guys, after this part of the test, our favorites and at the same time the best cutting tools are ProLogic pliers and the renowned braid cutter. Pretty awesome tools, but as you know, most of the product have so-called out-of-package sharpness. To verify this, we decided to go for a multi-line cut. After a few attempts, even the pliers from ProLogic gave up. You can feel that it cuts like through butter. Definitely the most valuable product and the winner of our test is the renowned braid cutter. Performance beyond the expectation.